Hi Daria,
Hello.
you are a psychologist and I have a few questions to you. Do people really need to hit rock bottom before going to therapy?
No, not at all. And I think it's a quite common misunderstanding among people. Therapy is not just a crisis support, it's also can be a place for healing, for psychoeducation. You don't have to be in a dramatic situation or have a breakdown to seek support.
But what if someone feels like their problems aren't serious enough?
Psychology or psychotherapy, they are not about comparing. Often people think that, well, I'm not in the worst position, maybe others, they have worse situation. And as I said, it's not about comparing. If you're not feel okay and if you don't feel all right, it's already a reason to go into therapy.
So feeling okay but not really okay counts?
Absolutely. If you're functioning or just surviving your days, it doesn't mean that you are happy inside and it doesn't mean that you are thriving.
What kind of struggles bring people to therapy if it's not a crisis?
The reasons may be different, they don't have to be dramatic. Some people overthinking or just feel emotionally exhausted or stuck. And maybe you have questions, and the therapy is a place to find your answers.
Why do you think people wait until they completely break down?
I guess, especially some elder generation, it's very common thought that we need to be strong, that we need to cope with everything on our own, and that we need to push through. And it's not actually true. Sometimes we all need some help and support. And for example, if your leg hurts, you go to a doctor, you don't wait till it's broken. And the same thing with your mental health. You don't have to wait till something major happens and your just minor problems will become bigger and bigger. Waiting often leads to just more stress, more discomfort, and more exhaustion. And to be honest, the earlier you start your therapy, the faster you will be better.
So, how does someone know it might be time to try therapy?
I think if you're having some thoughts about external support, it's already a sign. If you think that it would be nice to have someone to talk to and you don't want to talk to your friends or family, it's also a sign. It could also be some questions with no answers or emotions and situations that you don't know how to cope with. Or maybe you're feeling confused among other people. Actually, anything. Even if a person does not know what's wrong, but feels that something is not okay, it's also a sign to go to therapy. So basically, it's anything.